All right, let's try this again. I just picked up on what you said. Crazy guy. Ah! Come on, Frankie.
Fascinating experiment, alright? Too much fun.
We always have fun. I think you're. It's at this point. It's kind of 100% cross.
Oh shit! That's the worst. But the crosswind was doing. I hate crosswind so much.
Gotta land more on this side of the runway to be able to compensate. Your daddy. The heck kind of headband is that, Frank?
Frank, I like the headband.
You still wanna take off from the
all the way over there.
I like the headband, Frank.
Leave me alone, God damn it.
Yeah, we wanna take off from the right. You're right. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I think you go this way.
Yeah.
I think it's right to left, right? If I did the math right.
Is this looking pretty good?
You are looking so good, my friend.
Is it recording? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it is. You did.
I'm gonna post this face on YouTube again.
What are we doing? Let's go.
Who's
Your plane's facing
you're
the wrong
facing the wrong way. Genius, come on now.
Frank, that's not me.
Just spin your motor around and fly backwards. It's fine.
Coming out! Coming out!
I'm coming. I'm fine right here. I'm done enough BS.
Stand on the other side of the runway.
Wait, is that the FMS fan?
Yes.
Yeah. I like standing where I want to touch down.
Okay, now whoever's guys, don't stand out. Don't stand out in the middle of the road. I'll go last. Take it off.
Oh, that afterburner looks amazing.
It does look cool.
Should we flip the direction, guys? Yeah. Let's go the normal way.
You wanna go the normal way?
We got more people flying with us though. We got to stick to a pattern.
Alright, we'll stick to the pattern.
Jesus, Frankie, don't be scared.
We got all kinds of people in the air right now.
Okay, let me put the gyro on.
Frank, is that you? Yeah, that's you, right?
I got to get a few minutes to get the gyro set.
Is that full?
Nope.
That's pretty good.
It's going. It goes.
Who's that over there with the MiG?
Come on, guys, let's tighten it up. Come on. Gotta see the
I
diamond
can't.
formation.
I'm trying to figure out what the hell this gyro's doing. It is. It's like a whole bunch of stuff going on.
With the gyro?
No, with the other planes.
You're getting chased by an ugly stick.
How is it?
I'm pulling off and doing my own
Why is the
thing.
ugly stick going faster than the jets?
Because the jets are at low throttle.
Man, like, this is like fucking chaos.
It's chaos. That's why I'm breaking off and going away.
It's ugly.
This ain't it.
I pulled away, guys, just because there's too much going on. I'm going to try to do a low pass now.
What do you think, Ray?
I haven't really messed with it yet. Okay, low pass from the right. It's good. Yeah, it's good. I just have to do trimming. My plane is out of trim. There. That's what's wrong. It's out of trim. Okay.
How do you like it, Ray?
Still got to get the trim right, but it seems good so far.
Yeah, you love it. Get used to it.
Yeah, no, it's good. Very good.
It's better than the lemon.
Oh, hell yeah. I don't know about that, but it is good. Please. Fucking madhouse. I just got to remember where it's set. Yeah, it's perfect. This is good. I like it.
5, 4, 3, 2,
He's everywhere.
time expired.
Oh yeah, I like it. It's perfect.
Right, run race.
It's perfect, guys. Now the plane, when I roll and let go of the stick, it stays. I don't care about your hot rod, dude. Shut up. Yeah, way better.
Low
Yeah.
pass. Are you landing right? Okay, so you still. Yeah.
Good call, guys. I like it. Yeah, I got plenty of power. Oh yeah, no, I'm liking it. It's good. I can actually go up a little more in the gain.
Right, landing right.
That nitro plane needs to come down already. Oh,
Landing!
oh yeah, rock solid. Holy crap.
Landing!
1 minute over.
At least he didn't pop a woody.
Man, I kept the nose up the whole freaking runway.
Oh yeah, Frankie, it's good. Thank you.
Nice. You're gonna love it.
I already do.
And once you figure, like, I didn't used to like the gain on a dial, but then different conditions,
actually
you
took
can
off.
turn it up. It's really nice.
Yep, loving it.
And you know, you want to see something?
God, everybody's yelling. I can't hear shit.
It's way in front of the CG.
Yeah, the wheels are right behind it, so it really like just lifts it up.
Gear down.
Oh, yeah, I'm not. So, you know, the wheels are...
Okay, landing from the right.
The CG's like right here. The wheels are like here, right?
Landing
The
flat.
wheels behind it, so it's like...
Look out, Frankie.
2 minutes over.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, my battery's going to be mad.
Nice. Grab it in. Nice.
Yeah, Frank, I love it.
It's a good gyro.
I think I need to go at 50% though.
I don't know if you caught my landing on
That was so cool.
No.
So
I kept the nose up, the whole freaking runway.
It was on 2 wheels for like the entire runway. It's like...
Okay, good, we're good. So, Frankie, I'm going to leave it, I think 50% is actually good. Here,
Yeah,
50
is
here.
Good. 50% is good for...
Is that like the $25 gyro that
Yeah.
Motion sells?
I got mine for 10 though. 10 each. I got 2.
I think it'll be fun in the F7 and the F4. The one